Now guys, the tank. Gonna loosen this bolt. Yep. Here we can and easily get the stuff out. Let's see. Okay. I think this is loosened up. Then we got two torques for the tank. This one and this one. First, I see over here is a hose. I have these tiny yellow tie wraps to mark the stuff that I take away. So I easily can see what still needs to be connected. It's a reminder. Oops. See, you can ride it up and down, but I have this rubber band and I put it on the front brake. Now the bike is, see? So now, hop, this one. Put a tire wrap onto it. Okay. And over here, that same hose. Have to wiggle it a bit. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Stays in there. Bakje. Over here is his brother. We're gonna renew the spark plugs and the air filter. It's all in the same area. One out of the way. Then, guys, see, I knew they made it that you can take it up, but not really. How wonderful is that, BMW? Luckily the tank is not filled. No. This one out. Lift it a bit. Okay. And then on the bottom side, wait a minute, I'm gonna do hop, hop, hop. We take this one, runny nose, so hop. We're gonna carefully lift the tank. Yes, over here. We have a quick coupler for the petrol. Hop, there he goes. Yes, that's one. Then we have 3-pole connector over here. Hop, this one, and a 4-pole over here with 2 wires. Hop. Now, guys, that's all. We're gonna put the tank carefully out of the way. Over here is a torque. we're gonna get that out of the way. I think, yep, and that's Torx 25. Huh. Okay, there is a washer and a bolt. Yes. Up. To slide that one out. That's the first one, and this one. We have to loosen this one too to get that thing out of the way. I'm gonna put the yellow tie wrap onto here. Okay, see, this one out of the way. I don't think I will forget it, but in case, I'm gonna put, just in case, a tie wrap around it. Now let's see. Sparkplugs, where are you? Nope. Hop. So, out of the way. This one also. Up. It's so. Well. So. This one off, that one, then yes, hop, 1, 2, 3, yes, guys, see the locking clip. This out of the way. That's it. So, you never know, So, yep. Torx 30. This is the bolt with a wonderful washer. Okay, then this one, see, so guys, be sure put something around it, otherwise it scratches your Tupperware. Over here is his brother. Okay, same, nice, wonderful bolt, and beautiful. Then over here, a bit hidden, okay, now guys, then this clip, that clip, Phillips, it's such a clip thing. Okay, yes, take this one out. Oh yeah, just slide it out. It's with these. This is the air filter. Yes, better renew it. A blocking clip thing. This one. This one. This one. And up that one. Hey guys, need to put tie wrap around this one too before I forget it. And of course my petrol hose. You never know, eh? Starting. Doesn't run anymore. Turns out, forgot. Hoppakee. Yes. Ah, these are also injectors. But now, so yes, this guy out of the way, and over there are the spark plugs. Now, first I'm gonna close the throttle bodies. I don't want to get stuff in there. So okay, so then we're gonna clean it. Now close your ears.